Before we start today's video, subscribe to our channel, hit the bell notification icon, and like, share, and comment to this video.
Hello! Today I'm unboxing this wireless thermal printer. Let's get it opened. This printer is wireless, so you can connect it to your Wi-Fi or hotspot, download the HerePrint app on your phone or your laptop, and print your files easily. And also, in case you have no internet, it comes with a USB cable, so you can print your files online or not. With the high printing speed of 4 inches per second, this printer is 3 times faster than your traditional printer. It also has advanced image processing technology, so the resolution reaches 300 dpi, making the text and images you print much clearer. I just ran a few tests, tried it out, and I have to say, this works way better than I expected. It was so easy to use, and it printed my files so fast. I highly recommend this. Get yours today.
Subscribe to our channel, hit the bell notification icon, and like, share, and comment to this video.